Yo, listen up. If your phone is broken or acting up, don't stress, just call up the PhoneFixer. He's the best, he fixes any make or model. No doubt he'll get you out of a mess. Get your phone back on time. That's what it's all about, PhoneFixer. The one to call, fixing phones and tablets day and night. No matter the issue, he'll make it right. Your devices will be shining bright. Cracked screen or a dead battery, PhoneFixer will make it right. Just wait and see. He'll diagnose the problem without delay. Your phone will be shiny, bright, and as good as new. From iPhones to Androids, he handles them all. PhoneFixer stands tall with quality and all. Trust the PhoneFixer with your tech, so you don't need to regret. Your devices will be working right day and night. So next time your phone needs a fix, remember PhoneFixer, he's so slick. He'll have your device looking brand new, as if you never knew. PhoneFixer, the repair guru, you'll be glad you knew. If you're still not sure, give him a call and he'll have an adder with you. His number is 990-800-99. That's all you have to do. Now it's over to you.